I have the PlayStation Pulse 3D wireless headset. You can use this on the PS5 or the PS4. However, for this video, I'm going to show you how to connect this to your PS4 wired as well as wireless. So out of the box, you get the headphone itself. You get a dongle if we want to connect this wirelessly to our PS4. We also have a charging cable here. It's a USB-A to a USB-C. USB-C will be plugging into here. You can also plug this into your PS4 USB port and charge your headset as well if you wish. We also have a headphone cable here. It's a 3.5 millimeter jack to a 3.5. And of course we have pamphlets here, okay? Now, first thing is looking on the headphones itself. If we look on here, first of all, we see this little tiny dot right there. That is the mic, okay? Up here is the off and on, okay? So if we want to power it on, I'll turn that on and you can see the blue light right there. Let me go ahead and turn it off. I turned it back off, okay? Now also we have the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack here. So if we want to go ahead and use the cable or a wire, all you got to do is plug one end into the headphones and the other end right into your PS4 controller, your DualShock controller right here. As soon as you pop that in, your headphones are going to work, okay? Also, you don't have to turn the headphones on to use it when it's wired, okay? Now moving on to the next port, we have a USB-C for the charging port. USB-C cable is right here, USB-A to USB-C. Right here we have mute. You can mute it or unmute it. Right here we have volume down, volume up. And right here it says off on one side, monitor on the other. So you have off on the left. If I press it over to the right where it says monitor, then you would be able to hear how you sound to the other players. And over here on the end, you can see we have two buttons here. Okay, it says chat and game. If you press on the chat, that's basically going to make the game quieter than other players. And then you have game here. Now, if you click on game, it does the opposite. If you click on game, it's going to make the other players quieter than the game, okay? Also, if you have one of these VR headsets and you want to go ahead and hook this up via wired, one end goes into the controller, the other end goes into this part right here, okay? Now, let's go ahead and hook this up to my PS4 wirelessly. So we're going to hook this up wirelessly to our PS4. So first thing is go ahead and get your little dongle, and what you want to do is put this in an open USB port on your PS4. I have an open USB port right here. Now you should see like a white blinking light. Now we're just going to go ahead and grab our headphones and we're going to turn it on. So we're going to go ahead and power it on. You can see the blue light right there. And there you go. So the headset should be working wirelessly now. Okay, not only can you use this for games, but of course you can use it for apps like Netflix, HBO Max, and so on. And you can see if I increase or decrease the volume, you can see it pops on there. Okay, I can increase the volume. You can see the volume going up, up, up. And also the mute here, okay? If you press on the mute, you can see that it's muted over there. I'll unmute it, okay? Now the thing is, if you're not getting no sound on here, then what you need to do is go to the settings on your PS4. So we'll click on the PS4 button down here. Ooh, press it like that. Okay, there's the apps. Now we're going to go up, and now we're going to go all the way. We'll go all the way to the right, to settings right there. Click on OK. And then from here, we're going to go down to devices. Click on OK or the X. And then we're going to go down to audio devices. Click on the X. Now, you want to make sure that USB headset, wireless headset is on input device as well as output device. Also, if you go down here, output the headphones, yours may be on chat only like mine was in the beginning, okay? So what you may want to do is just go to all audio and boom. You should work now. Questions, issues? Comment below.